Well guys, today I'm just going to do a quick little video and show you how it makes Cloudberry Bakeapple pies. And right here is the Bakeapples that the waste mother picked, and you see they were soft and really juicy. So I'm going to put these in the dipper here first. And these are the berries the way they were picked. I'm just going to add a bit of sugar and just turn them into jam for the pies. So I'm going to just put them in there on low heat, like that. Alright guys, I got 4 cups of flour there, a cup of sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powders, and I'm going to use, this is a tub of ever sweet butter. I'm going to, a little better than half. Oh, I should use a spoon probably. Oh, there it goes. And now I'm going to mix all those, 4 ingredients together there now. Or 3. Alright, that looks pretty good there right now. Next guys, I'm going to mix up a egg and a bit of Grand Prix milk there now in the mug. Just don't need a lot. I'm going to stir that up there now. And you can see I'm using a nice Christmas mug. Whoa. I'm just going to mix those up together good. And there you see, it looks kind of like eggnog, I guess. And you don't want to mix up too much. You'll add this into your dried ingredients, and if you haven't got enough, you could just add like a little bit of milk until you get the right consistency. And I'll be using a spoon just to incorporate this in here. Now over here is the Bakeapples, Cloudberries. We call these Bakeapples, and man, they're absolutely delicious. And for the pies, you know, add some sugar, about a ½ cup to 3/4. I don't want it too sweet. At least that leave like a little bit of a bite to it as well, like. And I'll just give it a little taste once we got to it. I might have to add a little bit more sugar. I don't want like too much of a bite, but at least have a little bit. Just don't want it too sweet. That's all. And here I just wanted to make sure I use up all the flour, all the mixed ingredients, but I didn't want to have it too hard, so it was a little bit of trial and error with this stuff. I'm no pro at this, I guarantee you that, but I can manage to make one. A little flour. Apply across ingredients. A bit of flour so it won't stick there. Now I'm just going to roll so much I do 2 at a time. I think just push some of that sideways. Oh yeah. Turn those off there now. Well guys, how did that look? The first one is ready for the oven here now. I'm just waiting for the oven to heat up there a little bit, and I'm going to put it on 350, and then after 25 minutes or so you keep an eye on it in, and I usually just goes by the colour on top, and when it looks like the way I want it, well then they're done. So anyway, I'm going to get working on the second one here now. Alright, after 25 minutes, this one is going to be another little few minutes yet, and that one will be a bit longer, but this one will soon be done. Soon be done. Oh yeah. Well guys, the first one is done, and just letting it cool down there now, and I must say, it looks pretty good. And this last little piece here now, that's the one just to use up the last little bit of jam there, and it's a good little one for a tester, you know. And, oh, just look at it, oh hot. Just come out of the oven and it's hot. I lost it. Hot to the fingers, but man, oh, you type with delicious. Yep, the jam is just nice. Like it's not too sweet. Got like a little bite left to it. Absolutely delicious. Turned out nice. And a couple of pies over there. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, until next time.